Yeah, I'll just give you 500. Yeah, this is really shallow, so we have to like push each other out. Yeah? Ready? Remember, you gotta like butt scooch out, okay? You just have to butt scooch, butt scooch. See? Wiggle out, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I know it's not easy. That's what I'm saying, you have to wiggle. This is like the worst part. This is like the worst part of our kayaking experience. Just stand in one place. Probably because I'm on a stick. I'm a hitchhiker. It's probably because of all these weeds. Can't even get out. Whoa, whoa. Oh, right there. You guys see it? It's a little head. I want to get near it, but it's probably just got to go back under. Oh, there you go. I feel like I'm wakeboarding. That's the thing. I don't know. I'm scared there's gators in here, but I haven't seen one. No. Well, that's because I just pushed you out. Look, look, you see it? It's a little head next to... Oh, dang it! See, now that was a waste of excitement, my friends. Alright, I forgot how this works. See that little tree there? They're daddy long johns, which I'm not really scared of, unfortunately. But
I'm gonna go around it.
yeah, well, we gotta be careful because right there, do you see that little log all the way to the right? I know, it feels a lot harder. Let's not going up so high. Beauty, 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 beauty pie.
Oh my God, it's gonna hit me.
Come on, follow me, Helen. Come on, Helen. Ew, who does that? That's just wrong. No, because if you tip the boat.
It's not a boat, you know.
It's a kayak, which is like a boat. Alright, come on, Caitlin. Sorry. So the point of kayaking. Don't worry, guys. After this, I'm probably gonna do some more Advanced Warfare. I might go back to playing some Xbox for you gamers. Alright, no, Caitlin, don't go that way. Well, actually, you can. Go ahead. I just gotta go through here, so I know there's logs over there. I do not want to get stuck on one. Alright, this is where I know all the daddy long johns are. So, let's just stay low. Bro, what? Dang it! I got stuck! It's like a sandbar! What the heck? Ugh. Huh? Well, I wasn't... But where? Oh, look, there. See, it's like a sandbar. Don't hit me. I swear. I swear. Hey, stop. She's dripping in my boat. This ain't fair. And this place is really nice. I mean, especially in the spring and summer. But like when it was winter, all you got was downwash from like all the pollution and stuff. See, like who does this? A place like this. This is a beautiful place, and you're just gonna ruin it, kids. You dumb kids.
Is there props on here?
Huh? No. See, like I love doing this. This is fun. We did it. Yeah. Huh? No. Oh, well, I'm like getting pushed by the current. That's why we're going so slow. Let me get in front. Where do you want to go? All the way down?
Yeah, I guess so. You're hitting that water.
Oh, I'm an Olympic. Is it Olympic kayaking? I don't think so.
I don't know. I hope so. This is fun.
I know they have like kayaking races and crap, but I don't know what's.
I think it's you, because my dad was in it a while ago.
That's cool. Like,
Cold water's kind of
see, like when I go down to Florida for the summer, man, you're gonna see me driving a boat, fishing. Nice. But like, it's really fun. I mean, like, I love the outdoors. I mean, like, gaming is fun. Oh my god. Get away from me. Yeah, river rafting. That is fun, especially when you go like Busch Gardens and crap. Have you ever been to Busch Gardens river rafting? That stuff's fun. Comment if you guys have, or leave a like. Okay? Yeah. And leave a like so we know if you guys like river rafting in the outdoors. I mean, yes, I love that. I love playing the games for you guys. Ew. That's something we do not need to know. Ew. But like, I like me and Caitlin like playing video games, but like we love doing the outdoors. Like we're outside, huh? See, like right there and there is my other friend. But also, like we kayak. I kind of want to start kayaking to his house. My mom was like, "Why don't you start kayak?" Huh?
Hey guys, I have a channel too, just so you know.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
This is my name.
Alright, I'm gonna link her channel down in the description. Okay?
If this thing takes over, I swear to God.
Huh?
If this thing takes over, I swear to God. Oh! It keeps getting me wet.
See, Caitlin's not very professional at
No, I
this.
haven't read it. I want to get the fire.
Oh, look at them ducks. See, like, I kind of want to start.
Care about these pants getting wet 'cause they're painless.
Yeah. I also want to get
This
into.
is water is contained.
Yeah, it's disgusting. I want to start going.
Turning trash to food in this thing.
I want to start like.
Finally I have it.
I want to start going hunting. Like, no, stop. Come records. Cold.
Really?
What?
You went to that. You went to that far.
Well, how far? What? Run for your lives! Yeah, I like the outdoors. I want to like start going hunting. I've never been hunting.
I have.
Of course.
You know, you have to eat the animals, right?
Yeah.
See, that's the whole punishment.
Oh yeah, that's how you. I actually.
Kill an animal for no damn reason. This is messed up. Bruh, it's just jacked up how people watch like stuff like
In like this. Like who does that? Like who?
who the hell does that? It's just messed up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Hey guys! Just so you know, if you live in Northern Virginia and you go to Lake Taylor Middle School, you'll see us.
Yeah, true that. True that. GG.
Always cars concealed.
Yeah, like right in the road is my I think he's on the other side of the street. I'm not sure. But like my dad, it took him like 20 minutes to get from my house to his house. I can kayak in like 10 minutes there.
What, are you talking?
Yeah, which is pretty fun. My mom was like, "Why don't you do that?" Then my dad looked at her like she was
Yeah,
stupid.
and I want to be careful with the flies. This neighborhood's bad. They'll come in the backyard and steal stuff.
Oh no, dip. We figured that out already, Caitlin.
What'd you got?
I got my.
Me and my little brother had like 40 basketballs together. Like, I had 10 something.
Someone stole my. What? Oh. Okay, that's. Oh yeah, it's an upside down boat. See, I wish like our wait. I wish like our side was like this, cause like it just looks awesome. Why? Stop slashing me! It's wet and cold. Of course it's wet. It's wet. I feel really dumb for saying that. Alright, guys, we're gonna go fast as we can around here. You think you're gonna be hid from me for that long? Come on now. Oh wait, there's one right there. It's like just sitting there. And I know it's not a rock, cause come on now. Sometimes you see like I don't. Dang. Huh? No. Who brings their phone while going kayaking? It's almost like saying, do you bring? It's almost like saying, do you bring glasses underwater? I know. It's like, ah, they put one in my boat. No, you can go that way. What? Woo! Long time. That'd be awesome. That would be cool. I want to get like a raft. I want to get like a raft. Like a raft? Like you just hang out. YouTube people. I'm leaving it there. Selfie cam! I'll take you a selfie cam. It's between my knees, so that's pretty cool. Hey guys. Okay. Alright, one second. Let me show you guys the view. Ooh, yeah. Alright. I really like doing this because like I like to show my family what I'm doing. But like you guys seem to be interested. Like I know 44 of my family members has not seen this yet. I'm telling you that right now. Like my mom, my dad, my grandma. I think my aunt has. What? Yeah, like you. I know you guys like you got. I got like 44 views already, and I'm. Wait, how long has it been since I've told you about my YouTube channel? Hasn't it been like a week and a half? Hasn't it been like a week and a half since I started my YouTube channel? Yeah. Yeah, and I already got like 44 views. I mean, like, it says that I started like February 19th, but then I like started ignoring it, and I like started just making videos like crazy last week. Like.
Is yours full of water?
No. Smack it. Is it long?
No.
Oh, look at that helicopter, guys. Zoom! Zoom!
There's spiders in it.
Don't judge.
The spiders are yours.
No.
Hi, guys.
There's no problem. Huh? Yeah, duh.
What's up, dude?
But I've also noticed that you guys like to watch my other videos. And if you haven't gone and checked them out, huh?
Oh, that's so cool. They have that way. They have the stairway coming down.
Oh, yeah, that is pretty cool. I like that.
I wish that, you know what I wish I had?
What?
Two horses.
That would be so funny. We'd probably rip them.
No, what we need. No.
Should we just go chill out on their dock
We
and be
should
like,
find
what's up,
like
homies?
this place. There's this place where you can go hang. They have like this water park for these things. They're in their kayaks or canoes or whatever.
Yeah.
And I'm not like much either. It's where you go down water slides into the water and you can go in like swirls and stuff.
That's cool.
It's all goes in the water and then they have slides and stuff you can go up and back down into the water and you can go. They have, this is the coolest part, they have underwater too.
Oh, that is awesome.
You go underwater and they have.
Do you know what this place is called?
No, I think it's a part of Typhoon. It's part of Typhoon.
Oh, so it's in Florida. Oh, okay. So oh, I've been there. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I just didn't have a kayak to do it.
I've been there.
Cause I got this year.
Because my dad used to have it.
I pushed you. So yeah, if you guys want to go check that out, I hope you guys do.
Typhoon Lagoon, it's awesome.
Yeah, that place is all crazy cool. All
They
right.
also have a water park for you and stuff.
Yeah.
The only problem is you have to wear a life jacket, which is so stupid.
Yeah, I hate that rule.
You really should be wearing life jackets right now, but
Hey, I know how to swim.
it's
No, I don't.
awesome.
Just kidding. Yeah, I do. Huh? Dude, I jumped off a kayak and got back in it. In like a land.
I'm going faster.
Who's the race? It's a race. Do-na-na-na-na-na. keep going? Yeah, I think like I know you guys like. Oh, I love watching video. Huh? No, actually, I've never actually kayaked that way. Pretty interesting now. But yeah, like I know you guys really like my my gaming videos. I guess.
Oh, so they can see your face. But they obviously don't know you're talking.
Come on, guys, I'm talking to you guys, okay? Well, I know you guys like to watch my other videos, my gaming videos and stuff. If you like not my game, like my So I'm glad you guys enjoy these. I give this like oh my god. I like to keep it well, like, one thing I'm not gonna do it right away. So we're gonna just do some, the regular things, like, we're just gonna chill. We might actually do another GoPro video. You wanna do that, Kaylin? That sounds fun. Like, we do, like, cartwheels and crap. Yeah, and then, like, I'm thinking, like, I have baseball practice. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might tomorrow make an Advanced Warfare video. So I know you guys are gamer fans. If you guys are gamer fans, I'm sorry. Alright, one second. I gotta catch up. Wait, we gotta go a little faster. Closer. Speed is king! And by the way, copyright Jackson Cod. Wait, Kaylin, who's your favorite YouTubers? Who? Oh, Stompy Longhorn? Is it the Minecraft? Yeah. He's funny. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I get you. What?
Hey, boys!
Oh, Psych scrubs. Oh, no. Oh, wait. One second. I want. Like for real, I wanted to make a GoPro video so bad, but I was afraid because I was afraid I was gonna walk on the ice. But we actually ended up walking on not like out here where it's like 5 feet, 6 feet deep, but yeah. But like for real, we're all over there, like by my house. There's a little lake. We're able to walk on it. Adventure! Oh wait, I gotta mention my favorite YouTubers. My favorite YouTuber, Tom Syndicate, pretty cool YouTuber. I think he's so funny. Allier, he's a around the world guy. Well, like he's a more not around. That Syndicate's around the world.